Here's some carbon footprint reduction trivia. Subscribe. What farming practice reduces soil erosion and improves carbon storage? Is it A, pesticide application, B, tillage practices, C, cover cropping, or D, monocropping? The correct answer is C, cover cropping. Which type of vehicle produces no tailpipe emissions? Is it A, gasoline car, B, hybrid vehicle, C, electric car, or D, diesel truck? The correct answer is C, electric car. What international agreement aims to combat climate change? Is it A, Copenhagen Accord, B, New York Accord, C, Glasgow Agreement, or D, Paris Agreement? The correct answer is D, Paris Agreement. What annual event promotes awareness for climate action? Is it A, Nature Conservation Day, B, Global Fishing Day, C, Green Week, or D, Earth Day? The correct answer is D, Earth Day. What is a common alternative to chemical pesticides? Is it A, herbicides, B, synthetic fertilizers, C, genetically modified organisms, or D, biological control? The correct answer is D, biological control. What kind of farm directly sells produce to consumers? Is it A, community-supported agriculture, B, factory farm, C, corporation farm, or D, ranching operation? The correct answer is A, community-supported agriculture. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.